Kia ora and welcome to setting up your mobile automation framework right from scratch. Step 2, UI Automator Driver. Before we get started, we need some prerequisites. We need to download IntelliJ and Android Studio. I'll show you later why we need these two tools in our operating systems. Here is the list of command lines we will be using for this step. Take a good look. You can pause the video or you can take a screenshot. Alright, let's get started. First step is to run again Appium Doctor, and this will tell us what are the different dependencies we are still missing. And because we are focusing on Android devices, so we need to specify the flag for Android. So you can see we're missing Android Home and Java Home. The way we can identify, or the easiest way to identify the path to these two home directories is through IntelliJ and Android Studio. Now, if we open Android Studio and open any project, then go to Tools and navigate to SDK Manager, you will find the path to the Android Home just right here in the Android SDK location. We can do exactly the same thing for Java. In that case, we will need to go to IntelliJ, File, Project Structure, and then click on Platforms. Under Platform Settings, SDKs, you will find the JDK Home path. Once you have copied these two files, we need to come back to the terminal window, navigate to the home directory, and edit the profile file. This can be done by using any text editor such as Nano. And in my case, I have commented out. But something really important to note here is if you want this to work, you need to add the word export space Android Home or Java Home and then equals to the path or location of the Android or Java Home. We need to save it. We need to press Ctrl O, enter, and then Ctrl X to exit. So once we have updated our profile settings, we need to update the environment variables by running source dot set profile, and now we can run our Appium Doctor one more time. And if everything went well, we should see some green ticks. Perfect. All right. Last but not least, we need to install Android driver in our operating system, and for that we need to do sudo Appium driver install UI Automator 2. And this shouldn't take too long. It will install Appium driver in our operating system. Cool. Just confirming everything is up and running. Now, to summarize, We configure our environment variables. We achieve that by editing set profile. We use Nano text editor. You feel free to use the one that you feel more comfortable with, like VI or any UI editor as well. We'll do the same work. We add the syntax export space Android_home and then path to the Android home or Java home path. We also learn how to identify or extract the Android and Java home using IntelliJ and Android Studio. And finally, we learn how to install UI Automator 2 driver in our operating system by running appium driver install command. Yo, this is the end of step 2. See you on step 3.